So guys, already I'm rendemar for sehemu. You can see I'm coming to show you I'm SGR. Don't worry guys. Wote mnaniangalia, don't worry. So you see SGR and Mombasa, you see guys, SGR from Mombasa. And the glasses, you see glasses like Marwa Villa, bulletproof. Cannot to pull risasi, no risasi, no magazine to penya up. Don't worry, I'm here to show you SGR. Mudumu hapa yuko wapi, nakalia wapi? Don't worry guys, already I'm rendemar for sehemu to show you SGR. You see, it's beautiful. It is beautiful SGR. And nini? So my friend, help nisaidie hapa. Hii inaitwaje? Hii. Haujui jina? Is my friend already knows his name. So and me I know name. I don't know name. Names to here. You can see. So SGR. Already I'm stand up to the building house from SGR. You can see it's a beautiful. Already I'm rendemar for sehemu. So guys, me Mayuguno, I'm coming here to show you SGR. SGR already is rendemar for sehemu. I'm giving Mombasa bye-bye. Mombasa bye-bye. I'm going Nairobi. So Nairobi, the next day I'm going to home. I'm going home. So madam, Amani, please, njoo nisaidie hapo. Hii inaitwaje kwa Kiingereza? So in the is name to English. Welcome. Escalator. Yes. You see escalator to is panda juu. Is please hold the hand, keep away from the hadije. No baby, hakuna mtoto kupanda hapa. No. You see guys, is no baby to walking is in a lee. So I'm here to show you SGR. Guys, you saw GR, you see GR. GR is the stairs to like Marwa village, like Marwa Villa. So welcome to tell me names. Hii inaitwaje hii? It's a bulletproof guys. Bulletproof, you cannot to pull risasi kutoboa humu. No. Don't worry, you can see it's a beautiful girl from Africa. Nilikuwa kule na wazungu wana tumbo. Sasa huku wote ni role model. Cannot. And the stairs. Madam, habari. Kwema. Nisaidie, hii inaitwa sini stairs. So is stairs. Samani kidogo, naomba uonekane hapa kidogo. Unaogopa? Amini YouTube utaonekana tu. Siogope dadangu. So my friend is mine. You can see beautiful Africa. Beautiful Africa. What's your name, my sister? Wamoyo. So is heart. Wamoyo, you are here is going Nairobi. So to going together. Pardon? And me, I'm going. So it's going together. Hey, it's going together. Where you come from? Malindi. Yeah. Malindi, Kenya. So I'm come from to Hispania, border Tanzania. Border Tanzania and Kenya. Okay. Hey, you understand? Yes, yeah, I understand. You know Mayuguno? No, huh? You know Mayuguno. You know Mayuguno? No. You know Marwa? Yeah, Marwa. Marwa, I am Marwa. Oh, you do? Hey. Dimwango? You don't know Dimwango? So my friend in the staff for here already is coming. What's your name, sis? I'm Shakira. You are? Shakira. Please, Shakira, wait. Shakira, welcome. Don't worry, is Shakira is tokea huko from nowhere. And here. Don't worry. You see, what's your name, my sister?
I'm Mariam.
Mariam. Mariam. So it's a beautiful Africa. You can see the shower in the milky for here. You cannot shower to river. Girls, whole people, guys. Girls, you cannot take shower to river. Either take shower to the shwa. So already I'm going to, you see, is a Mafans Marwa team Dimwango. Team Marwa already is here. So don't worry, you can see it's a beautiful. It's a beautiful. In the shower to the milky, cannot shower river. What's your name, my sister?
I'm
Damaris. Damaris, where you come from? Bamburi. So Damaris is come from Bamburi. So me tomorrow I'm sleep to the Niption. Niption. I'm sleeping Niption. You know Mayuguno? You know Mayuguno?
Yes.
So, I'm coming, guys, to sleep Neptune. I'm coming, so I'm back to home. Tomorrow I'm going to the work, so I'm engineer. Hey, you can see Mimi is here, why I'm engineer. You cannot why, guys. So it's the next girls. It's a beautiful Africa. You can see beautiful Africa, long nose. Poor and like Mzungu. You see, what's your name? Nancy. It's a beautiful Nancy. It's a glasses like Russia. And the Putin. And the next thing, you see, like Marwa home, is a sister, like Dimwango, munafanana na Dimwango. You see, what's your name, my sister?
My name is Joy.
Yes.
From a company called Bulldog Properties Limited.
Yes.
To follow Bulldog Properties Limited on Facebook and Instagram.
So Bulldog.
Bulldog.
So guys, already already is in you upata is kupata wanaizaje kwa Kiingereza?
Partnership.
So already have partnership. My friend is a partner.
Partner. Just go follow the page.
Yes. Tell the guys.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi guys. I'm Lucy.
Lucy.
From L&N Collection.
Yes.
L&N Collection. We have Shambas. Yeah, 50 by 100 going from 70k. They are located at Marindi, Chakama. Yeah.
Don't worry. So I tell you guys already Mayuguno is the rendemar for sehemu.
Please subscribe to his channel.
Mayuguno.
Yeah, Mayuguno.
I am Mayuguno. I am Mayuguno. You know
Is Mayuguno.
Mayuguno. Hey, is you cannot nickname. So it's from born. His name. Full and here. Tanjani zaliwe hiyo haijawahi badilika. So guys, you can see already is whole my boss Sawa Media is rendemar for sehemu together and me.
Yes.
So
Guys,
make sure subscribe to Sawa Media.
Yes.
Big boss from media. You cannot vlog. Media.
Also shout out to Dimwango, shout out to I am Mara for making sure that Mayuguno anaonja. Mayuguno first time traveling with what?
First time I'm traveling to the SGR.
Yes.
And the train.
Yes, the first train, Train ambayo inaenda mbio sana kwa kasi.
Is a speed few.
Masasi tushafika Nairobi.
6 times. 6
hours.
6 hours already. You are already in Nairobi.
You're already killing Nairobi.
So naona watu najaribu kusimamisha mji, watu bado hawataki. Subiri nasimamisha sasa hivi. So don't worry, you see girls, it's beautiful. I'm back to take photo with the girls. You can see. Mayuguno is killing me jamani, mtaniua. Cheki watoto wanaogea maji ya maziwa. Take shower to the milk. You cannot take shower to the river for hereyr. Inayotoka juu is juu. Next thing, my friend. Like Wema Sepetu from Tanzania. What's your name, my sister? Pendo. From Kilifi. Jamani, is Kenya. Kenya already is beautiful girls. So it's conquered to East Africa. Yes, Kenya is conquered East Africa. So beautiful girls like America, Canada, Ukraine. Ukraine is bomb. Ukraine no, is bomb. So already I'm coming here to show you. Already starting SGR. Hii inaitwaje? Is starting SGR. Already is kimbia. Is kimbia. Don't worry, guys. Already I'm show you to SGR. SGR already is rendemar for same. So don't worry, I'm coming to show you next stage as and the whole people is rendemar for sehemu. You can see girls and ladies and gentlemen is car hapa. Ladies and gentlemen is car hapa. No, he cannot. Guys, all people you see me for here, Mayuguno is rendemar for sehemu. Don't worry, madam. Hi, Muzungu. Hi, Muzungu. Yes, so don't worry. Thank you so much, guys. Already I'm rendemar for sehemu. So I'm going to tell sister. Is you can see all people to the up there. Is going. I'm Mayuguno. I'm rendemar for here. I am Mayuguno. Is people. You can see is a kwenda. You can see lift. Guys, lift. You see lift is the shuka. Is the shuka. I'm rendemar for sehemu. I'm killing to the road. I'm killing to the SGR. I make sure to give you nice report, good news from SGR. SGR is rendemar for sehemu. Don't worry. I cannot to square na hii. No, it is stairs. Next day I'm back, make sure is shuka na hii. You cannot, you naogopa. Don't worry, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Already you see girls, whole girls is going. So say what? Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye. Bye, my friend. Bye. Kilifi, Bumburi.
And please guys,
yes.
Guys follow LNN collection and Boldwalk.
Yes. Yeah. LNN collection. LNN collection. Yeah. Boldwalk. Boldwalk Limited. Yeah. Is company. So is a number.
Our number is 07
yes.
02
yes.
71573.
07 02
71573.
Ah.
Yeah, we can. So, you can also follow us from Facebook.
Yes.
Boldwalk.
Yes.
Instagram LNN collection.
Instagram LNN collection. So I'm going to show you naenda kuweka kwenye chini.
Okay.
I'm going to Nali. So you make sure you give me support and the kapesa kaposho. Umesikia?
Guys, you have to go. SGR will leave.
So yes, I cannot. So you call me, follow me Instagram. I am Mayuguno is connection to work every day. Hey. Don't worry.
Guys, you have been wondering what is wrong with Mayuguno.
Yes.
He's no more.
So I'm stand up to the hii kitu. Hiyo naogopa kukanyaga hiyo. Escalator hiyo. Escalator I don't to touch. No. Escalator. I'm touching. So you see it's a beautiful house. So it's not recording for here. It's a free record. Ah, don't worry guys, I'm going home. Already I'm rendemar for sehemu. You can see it's Jombo Kenyatta. Au ni nani huyu? You see is a sanam. Hey, is a sanam. Hello guys, my name is Mayuguno. Already I'm rendemar for sehemu. You can see is the whole people for area. You can see me. I am Kofia. You cannot to shout shua. What's your name, my father? Haji. Haji. His name is Nini. You can see the helicopter. He like a helicopter. Don't worry. Bye bye. Safari njema. Safari njema. Guys, training ni nzuri sana. Train is a beautiful. It's good. Lakini hakuna Waswahili. All people is tells English, cannot speak Swahili to the train. KGR. SGR. Is SGR. So don't worry guys. Mimi, my friend, waambie watu waende jione kwenye YouTube. Mayuguno. You know Mayuguno sister? Don't worry. So Mimi, I am Shuka. I am Shuka to the train. I cannot go back. I am Shuka. It's not crookery. It's not crookery. I am Shuka to the train. So don't worry.